Sometimes when we have a little bit of weather, Hank doesn't want to come in. Holy mackerel! This is a good one. Yeah, buddy. And so we gotta find him. Hank! Come on, buddy. I see him up there. Hank! I think he's sensitive to barometric pressure. Hank, look, I'm playing with Sam. Hank, I'm playing with Sam. And the babies, they're all out here. I'm just playing with them.
Buzz, I'm going through all your private stuff. You better come out and pound me.
Well, maybe I'll take this moment. So these elderberries. Hank! What's the problem, buddy? We can go see. So we're supposed to get a pretty significant storm tonight. And Hank always knows. Hank, come on, Hank. Come on, Hank. Good Lord. Hank's he's gonna probably end up staying out here. Hank! I don't know if you can hear the thunder, but you get a little bit of thunder, a little bit of barometric pressure change, and Hank is not a happy camper. So, yeah, we're getting a good one. We are getting a good one. I don't see Hank out here. I mean, he might be way over there under the trees. You never know. This little awning right here, we just didn't do very well. So, it leaks like a sieve. So, you have to kind of, holy, good Lord. Hey, H-E double hockey sticks. Out of curiosity, I just wonder if Hank came in. So these guys are doing good. Big rooster. Oh man, that's a storm. That is a storm, boys. Yeah. Hey, you're on your own, buddy. Holy man. Nice. Sam, how's it going? Sam, when you're bigger, you'll be out there being crazy. Maybe. I don't know. Oh. There we go. I'm sorry, buddy. Alright, we're gonna check on Hank. Just to see. Rocco, stay. Stay there. Stay. Stay. Got a little break in the storm. I can't actually see, so I'm looking in the camera. Hank, are you gonna come out of nowhere and ambush me? Hank! Oh man, still no Hank. Hank! Hank, you're darkening my doorstep. I see you. I see you, buddy. Look at you, you big boy. I see you. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. I know it's very, very... You're very agitated, but come on. Come on. Come on, Hank. Hank. Come on, buddy. Look. Hank. Hank, I got some goodies for you. Right here. Goodies. Hank. Come on, buddy. Oh, good Lord. You were almost in. I really like to get him in. Hank, you're... Good Lord. Okay. Well, everything survived. Hank, did you survive? Huh? You looking like a wet rat, buddy. Are you mad? Had some grapes? That'll be a treat, huh? You can't have the whole thing. Hey, there's ants right there. Come here, buddy. There's ants. You know how to get those off of there? You know how to get those off, Hank? Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Hank. He's still deciding if he wants to be mad at me. But he survived. As he always does. Got lots of food. But he's going back home. I guess he's gonna stay back there today.